Rapid Dermal Repair Skin Recovery Kit. This is a dynamic trio of products designed for deep dermal repair. It's known to reduce pigmentation, soften deep wrinkles, repair very dry skin, and minimize the appearance of age spots. Now, this powerful group of products will activate deep moisture and circulation for glowing, plump, supple, and dewy skin. These three powerful plant-based products work to polish away dead skin cells on your surface of your skin to allow deep penetration of natural, intensely moisturizing, nutrient-rich ingredients which are in our intensive dermal repair balm. You can see how rich it is here. Now you start with the Petitgrain Cream Cleanser to use daily on dry skin to lift dirt and oil. Apply a small amount of our prebiotic C exfoliating on the skin to a paste so that you can remove those dead skin cells and any dry or aged skin. Then you apply this dermal repair balm. You can see how rich it is here. Now, it may seem oily, but when you put it on the skin and when you wake in the morning, you will see an immediate difference to your skin. You can add a little bit of water to this to get it deeper into the skin cells, but the beeswax in this acts as a barrier to really keep all of those organic ingredients deep in those dermal layers. This is dermatologically tested and approved.